Is this legal? Hey, bro! Bro! You're going .14159265355897169383279 502 889962862 862 8 over the speed limit! You get